Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today we're going to be working on our 1996 Dodge Ram 1500. It's the 5.9. I want to show you something very basic. We're going to try to figure out what's going on with this bulb under here. This is the under the hood light. It's not lighting up. So we're just going to check the bulb. Pull that out of there. You push in, give it a little twist counterclockwise. You can take a peek. If it looks like it's burnt in between there, maybe the connection right there, the filament's broken, or the color of the bulb looks like it's a little off, maybe black or a different color like this one is, you'd want to replace it. So we'll just grab ourselves another bulb. This one right here says that it is a, looks like T88. Whether or not that's original, I'm not 100% sure, but just to let you know, this is what to look for. Okay, so we got our new bulb. So we're right up in here. Ooh. Very nice. Look at that. Something as easy as a bulb. If the bulb didn't change anything and it still didn't light up, you could check for power. If you wanted to do that, you would just come right here, grab this with your thumbs, pull that off, and then you can check in here. Of course, pull up your wiring diagrams. You can see which wire is which, but it's pretty obvious. Black wire would be ground or negative, and the red wire in there, it looks kind of pink at this point, but we'll call it red, would be the power. So you just test in there, see if you can find power. If no power, you're gonna have to trace it back. Maybe there's a fuse that's bad or even possibly wiring. So we'll plug this back in, close the hood, and down the road we go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.